Let's talk about the law of action and reaction. This is also known as Newton's third law. And this simply states that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So if I apply a force onto an object, there's a reaction force that's applied back on the force that's being applied to it, okay? And we can say that if the force is going to equal, we'll just say F1 is going to equal negative F2. So those forces apply in opposite directions and they cancel each other out. So you don't usually have to solve problems with this, but you'll oftentimes be asked in a question, say for example, if a big bat is hitting a ball at 1,000 newtons, what is the force of the ball on the bat? And you might be confused because the bat's big and the ball's small, but remember, for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction, which means simply that the ball is putting the same force of 1,000 newtons on the bat. So really, regardless of size, they are equal and opposite forces applied to each other. So that's a question you might see on a physics problem, and you can answer it, again, using Newton's third law of motion.